Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Hey, does anybody out there remember when that new iPhone came out years ago? And there was all those videos flying around on the internet that said, this is amazing technology. All you need to do is put that iPhone in your microwave for 2 minutes and it will charge it right up to 100%. Do you know how many people fell for that and melted their phones? It was crazy. So this is a similar one. There's all kinds of these videos flying around on the internet right now saying that all you have to do is pull your starter cord out on your chainsaw and then you just let it drop. You just let it go and it slams down like that and it'll start your chainsaw for you. Well, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All you need is an iPhone. Actually, Android also works with this. So I have my audio settings open right now. And here we go. Watch this. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! That actually worked. Is that amazing or what? Of course, I can't feel it running in my hand. I pull the trigger and nothing happens. There's not even a spark plug in this thing. That is amazing. I'm going to shut it off now. Don't even need to use a switch. There you go. Just because it's on the internet, everybody, it doesn't mean it's true. Common sense, common sense. I call that movie magic. And I think that's all I got to tell you now. Steve out.